Going to the Christmas town, This is an unboxing of this thing. It's huge. Let's start with this package. Well, this gun that comes in this package, I'm gonna rebuild it to create a CBJ MS, the prototype gun made by Saab Bofors. And since it doesn't exist as an airsoft weapon, I have to build it myself. And I will use this as a base. It's a very crappy P.815 M11. So what I'll do is I will paint this green. I will add a bipod on an Uzi. That'll look awesome. And then it needs a sight and angled foregrip. And that will be the trickiest part because this doesn't have a rail underneath the body. So that'll be exciting. Oh, wow. .12s. And they're not even yellow, they're like lime green. And one of them's red. Ugh. Maybe it's herpes or something. Ugh. And then, now I have two of these crappy glasses. Oh, look at the mag. Wow, it's kind of heavy even though it's plastic. It has a nice weight to it. And then of course manual, and then this. Wow, actually, well, yeah, the trigger feels plastic and cheap, but I thought it would be worse actually. Okay, the stock doesn't extend, so that's a minus. I like how you aim through this charging handle. And then there's batteries. Where do you put the batteries? No, it doesn't have any batteries. It's a fucking spring weapon. How stupid am I? It's just Oh, god damn. Wow. I'm gonna shoot myself in the eye if I test this. Okay, so it's a spring weapon. Ah, silly me. Okay, cool. It has a safe and a fire. Made in China. No other markings? No. I don't really care about markings. CYMA P.815. Let's see how this shoots. Cool. Awesome. Awesome. Pretty cool for a crappy gun. Let's clean up.